Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Feeling snacky but short on time? I've got the perfect solution for you. A vibrant, delicious fruit salad that you can whip up in just 10 minutes. It's so simple and so good. First things first, let's grab our ingredients. All you need is a crisp apple, a ripe banana, and a juicy orange. Got them? Great. Now, let's get chopping. We're going to cut all of these into small, bite-sized pieces. Remember to be careful with your knife. Pop all those colorful pieces into a big bowl. Next, for a little touch of sweetness, drizzle just a little bit of honey over the top. You don't need much, just enough to bring out the natural flavors of the fruit. Give it a gentle toss to make sure everything is lightly coated, and for the final touch that makes it extra special, sprinkle on some fresh mint leaves. It adds an amazing aroma and a cool, refreshing taste. And there you have it. A beautiful, healthy and super quick fruit salad ready to enjoy. If you liked this quick recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy ideas, and let me know in the comments what you thought. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.